Today was a water pump, but we're gonna leave that for now because the front main seal went out. Got an umbrella, we have everything set up. Always put a tarp, things always fall and the dirt is kind of hard to find. Get the beach one because it has this flexible things, you can follow the sun. Here are our tools. Hopefully everything goes well. And we're gonna get started. Taking out the fan first. The first thing you do, you turn the wheels in. All right. And then you're gonna need two. The reason I like the small one is a lot easier to work with. So you're gonna need is 5/16 standard half-inch drive because you need a lot of leverage. So every other is a bolt. You put them in like this. Take your time. Don't go too crazy. Once it's in like that, you turn it inside. Once it's in the deep side, you turn it. Once you feel there's a bolt, right? You want to make sure you leave it like that. So you can use both hands. You can reach the other one. Once it's loose, you get your hands off. Careful with the radiator. Every other is a bolt. So this is, you put it down. You hit this one, every other. So it's right here. That's the other bolt. Then once they're all loose, you take your quarter. It's a lot easier to work with it than the big one. All right. This is what I mean when you want to use the 1/4 inch. It's a lot easier once they're already loose because you cannot get them loose with the little one. You see? And once you take all of them out, then we're going to work in the next step. I think this is going to be like a few video series, but once you get it loose, make sure you get the washer, take your time, and always got a metal plate. You know, sometimes you just want to work fast, but all you need is just a windy day or something, and you're going to lose your bolts. I mean, your nuts, so make sure you have one of those. All right, so we took the first one out. Total 6 volts, and then we're going to pull this out. I got to figure it out, I forgot. Last time I remember I took the links off and I push it forward, but we'll see. Once I figure it out, I'll record. I think my best route is to remove that fan clutch. Took the first belt off, and we're gonna go from there. Because I took it the other way. You had to dig this out. Sometimes you have to join a bit the coolant and pull the linkage and it'll pull forward. But since I'm gonna do the seal, I'm gonna see which way is the easiest way. And it looks to me like those first bolt pull forward, and just be very careful. So 3/4 bolts. Let's get it. Is a do the last. You can take everything out from one side. The inside can curves in there and you can push forward. It's already all loose. So I'm gonna take the belt off and I'm gonna continue with the second part after the belt. We got some leverage because it pulls forward. And remember this diagram. That belt's out, we're gonna take it to the front. The belt's out.